So if you're new to affiliate marketing and you want to make money with Clickbank, you definitely want to stay tuned to this video. We're starting right now. What's up guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if you have a laptop and an internet connection, I can actually show you how you can take those two things and turn it into cold hard cash. So you definitely want to subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the little notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video today, I'm actually going to be giving you a full-blown 90-day plan, a blueprint if you will, in order to create income with Clickbank. Now here on YouTube, there's a lot of videos out there and a lot of information on different strategies and techniques to actually generate income with Clickbank, but no one ever gives you like a full-blown 90-day plan. So in this video today, what I wanted to do is kind of give you a broad perspective, kind of an overview of what you actually need to do in the next 90 days if you want to start generating income with Clickbank. Now, I will have a couple videos in the description of a couple videos that I've actually created before that kind of give you different techniques and strategies on how to generate money with Clickbank, and they're more granular. So if you want to watch those videos, I'll have those videos in the description. But in this particular video today, I'm going to be breaking down like your actual 90-day blueprint to get you from zero to actually recurring income with Clickbank. So let's go ahead and jump right into the content. All right guys, so before we actually jump into the content of this video, if you're looking to make $100 to $200 per day with your affiliate marketing business, I'll actually have a link in the description. You can go ahead and click that link and I'll go ahead and shoot you my #1 recommendation on how to actually make money with affiliate marketing. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this content, and we're going to be talking about Clickbank for newbies in 2019, and I'm going to be giving you a full-blown 90-day plan. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, guys. So in this 90-day Clickbank strategy, there's going to be 4 different components. We're going to have 1 week of planning, we're going to have a 30-day strategy, and then we're going to have a 60-day strategy, and we have a 90-day strategy. So before we actually get into some of the strategies and some of the things that I'm going to be asking you guys to do over the next 90 days is what I first and foremost want to say to you if you're watching this video. If you are lazy, or you have poor work ethic, or you don't want this bad enough, then this isn't probably for you. Because in general, if you are trying to create any type of business, whether it's online or offline, you have to have very strong work ethic, and you're gonna have to show up every day for your business. You know, people show up every day for their jobs and everything else they have going on in their life. So if you really want to have success online, you have to show up for yourself every single day. So I know that if you really want this to happen, then you're going to go ahead and put in all the necessary work. And after the 90 days is over, we're going to be talking about some of the results that you should expect. So go ahead and stay tuned to the end of this video. So in the week of planning, the first thing we're going to be doing is researching our niche and our product that we actually want to promote. So I would definitely take a good look at the different categories in Clickbank. There's tons of these different categories, and within those categories, there's lots of different products. Obviously, you know, you guys have watched a lot of these Clickbank videos. You want to promote a product that has a high gravity score. That's just going to be an indication that, you know, a lot of affiliates are selling those products. You definitely want to promote something that you potentially will know something about, because that's going to determine some of the content strategy that we're going to be talking about here in the video. So if you do know more about the subject matter, you don't have to be an expert, but if you know some more about the subject matter, that's going to help with the content strategy. And then you want to, you know, just make sure that the product funnel is good, the product sales page is good. These are basic things that everybody already needs to know. If all those things check out, the product looks good, the sales page looks good, then you probably have gotten a good niche and you have a good product. Now, before I actually created this video today, I was actually looking through Clickbank, and I was just kind of sifting and sorting through some of the different categories, and I found this one product. It's called the Big Diabetes Lie Real Doctor Approved Diabetes Offer. It has a gravity of 99, so that means a lot of affiliates are selling it, and you can make about $40 per sale. So this is just an example of, you know, a product and a evergreen niche that is always going to be able to create some income, because people are going to have issues with diabetes today as well as diabetes from 20 years from now. So this is something that you can really hone in on and know that, you know, if you put in a lot of work and effort into a subject matter like this, into a niche like this, that you can actually generate a lot of income on the back end. So what do we do next? The next thing we're going to do is amass a list of 90 different keywords for our content strategy. So what you're going to do is, we've actually found our niche that we're going to be selling in. It's in the health and fitness niche, and we've actually found a good high converting product, and that is the diabetes product that we just picked out. And this is all just an example, guys. But what you want to do is you want to basically amass or collect 90 keywords for your content strategy. So if I actually go over to the Google keyword tools, I'm looking at my keyword of diabetes, which would be my root keyword, and I come up with 705 different keywords that are related to that root keyword, diabetes. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look for keywords that you can create content around and that have low to medium competition. So as we scroll through some of these keywords, you got normal blood sugar, you got low blood sugar, you got normal A1C. You know, there's tons of different keywords that you can actually target, and you can see a lot of these keywords are getting a lot of searches every single month, and the competition is very low. So that just means that there's traffic in this niche. So if you can get your product, your funnel, your services in front of the traffic that's already online searching for this content, you can absolutely make money. So now we actually have our keywords. So we've been able to go over to the Google keyword tool and pull out as many keywords as we need. You can also go over to YouTube and pull out, you know, keywords that people are typing into YouTube. So the keywords themselves, there's an abundance of them. So all you want to do is just, you know, amass that list. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a brand new YouTube channel specifically for that actual niche. So you're going to create a YouTube channel. You're going to complete it with, you know, graphics and channel design, and you can call it whatever. It could be, you know, how to manage diabetes, or all you need to know about diabetes. Something clever, something quick and easy to just let people know when they actually come to your channel. This channel is about, you know, learning about diabetes and helping people with that disease state get better, help them manage it, help them cure diabetes, whatever the case may be. You want to let them know that, okay, this channel is all about diabetes. It's super focused, and if the people watch your videos on that channel, then they're going to learn how to manage their diabetes much better. So once we've actually got our planning done for that entire week, we're going to go ahead and move into the 30-day strategy. Basically, going to create one video every single day for the next 30 days. So these videos should be 5 to 6 minutes in length. And the basic video template for your videos is going to be this. You know, what is your video about? So that's basically going to be the keyword that you've chosen. So if the keyword is normal blood sugar, then you're going to actually start off your video saying, hey, in this video, I'm going to be talking about what your normal blood sugar should be about. Secondly, you're going to tell the people why they should actually watch the video, right? So what are they going to actually learn or benefit by watching that particular video? And then of course, you're going to give the value. So if you know a lot about the subject matter, this is where you can really put your expertise to work and give the actual value. And if you're not an expert, all you need to do is just do a little bit of Google research, you know, look up the information online, jot down a couple notes, and you can actually give value that way. And then what you do at the end of your video is go ahead and direct people to your product or your funnel in the description. So you're going to be doing that for the next 30 days. And this is why we have that little week of planning, because you're going to get your 90 keywords together, right? And you can probably actually do that in a day, create your YouTube channel in a day. And then over the next few days within that week of planning, you can start actually kind of strategizing and planning out your first couple weeks of videos. So you can get your keywords that you're going to start promoting the first 7 days, first 14 days, and then get your little bullet points together of what you're actually going to be talking about in your video. Now, keep in mind, guys, if you're not comfortable doing the video yourself, don't let that be a barrier. Like, if you want to pay somebody to create videos for you, if you want to do a screen capture video on your computer, if you want to pay somebody on Fiverr to do video animations and you just write the script, there's so many different ways that you can get past of actually getting on camera yourself. I do recommend that if you can get in front of the camera, you should definitely try, because this is just going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money in the long run if you can just jump on camera real quick and start presenting your information. But irregardless, you definitely want to be following this strategy whether your face is on camera or not. So now we actually come to the 60-day strategy. Now, there's nothing mind-blowing or unique about the 60-day strategy that you didn't do in the 30-day strategy. And that's what I'm really trying to get you guys to see. There's nothing really new under the sun. All you have to do is just really put in the work. It's more about you putting in the consistent work, putting in the consistent effort to get a result at the end. So in the 60-day strategy, you're basically going to just rinse and repeat. You're going to create a video every single day, 5 to 6 minutes long. You have your video template. You're going to grab a keyword. Why did I create this video? What is this video about? What are you going to learn from this video? And give the value, and then present your product or service in the description. The 90-day strategy is the same exact strategy, guys. Again, you're going to be creating a video every single day. You're going to be choosing a keyword, telling them what that video is about, what are they going to learn, giving that value, and directing people to a product or a service in your description. So after following this blueprint for 90 days, what could actually be the potential results of you putting in this consistent work with this actual plan that we just laid out for you? Now, potentially you could have recurring sales for your diabetes product. You would have a thriving YouTube channel in an evergreen niche. You would have 90 days, 90 videos of content centered around diabetes. All content, all keywords that people are already searching in YouTube and Google, information that people are actually seeking out about a disease state that millions of people are struggling, right? I hope you guys get what I'm trying to explain to you. If you put in this work, the keywords are there, the information is there, the data is there. What you have to do is take that data, take the information that people are actually already searching online, and then get to work. You take those keywords, you create those contents, you do this strategy to a T, and you're going to have a thriving YouTube channel. What's the next thing you could potentially have? You could potentially become a YouTube partner. If you put in 90 videos, potentially people are searching for that information. There's tens of thousands of people searching for that information every single month. Then you could be getting subscribers, and you could become a YouTube partner. When you become a YouTube partner, you can get ads placed on your videos. Then you can actually be creating a second income stream for yourself. So not only are you making money with the product sales off Clickbank, but now YouTube/Google is paying you for the ad revenue because people are watching your content, because you're giving great value. In addition to that, you now have a captive audience to promote your other diabetes products too. So you can go out and you can find additional diabetes products on Clickbank or any other affiliate network. There's CPA networks that sell health and fitness type products. So you can go out and you can find additional products and services that you can actually become an affiliate of and make additional revenue, because you've already built an audience in a niche that's evergreen, and you know that people are interested in that type of information. So you can go ahead and start generating additional income with additional products that you can actually sell. And the same thing goes with actually if you've been creating an email list all along, like if you've been building a list and driving the traffic to a squeeze page first prior to showing them your product, now you should have a little bit of an email list at the end of the 90 days that you can also, be promoting products to down the line whenever you like. So I hope you got some value from this video, guys, and if you did like it, make sure you hit the like button. What I really want to drive home to you guys is internet marketing, affiliate marketing is not rocket science. There are some different skill sets that you need to learn over time, but the majority of the people that are actually generating income with the affiliate marketing businesses is that they just get to work. If you're looking at this video right now, I know that I'm not the only affiliate marketer that you watch on YouTube. You probably watch a ton of YouTubers out there doing affiliate marketing. And the people that you're watching are probably constantly uploading videos, constantly giving value, constantly creating products. And it's because they're dedicated, and it's because they're driven, and it's because they're focused on their goals, and that's why they're so successful. But you have to make the decision for yourself that you're going to, first do this. You have to make the decision that you're going to be successful in this, and you have to start to cut out distractions, and you have to set aside time for your business. And that may mean that you have to cut out the Netflix and TV, or you have to, stay up late at night, or you put in some extra hours on the weekend. Whatever you need to do to make this a success is going to be so worth it. Because again, if you actually just implemented this 90-day plan, look at all of those potential results that you could potentially have. You could have potentially 2 or 3 different additional income streams just by putting in that 90 days worth of elbow grease and hard work, but no one's going to do it for you, right? No one's going to do it for you. You have to do it for yourself. And I really want to encourage you guys now, work this plan. And again, if you guys want some granular techniques in terms of like setting up squeeze pages and stuff like that, like none of that really matters because you can get that information anytime. The point is you need to have a plan that is going to make you successful for the long term and not just trying to make a sale here and a sale there. So I hope that made sense, guys. This is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Remember to comment below if you have any questions or commentary about this video. I'd love to hear your opinions, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.